Lekkii. Remember that oath you did with me? Smashed a few of your ships into the sea, girl. They got bigger, I made them human. Now you were my Scorpion Queen, girl. Remember that oath you took that you'd give Athens and Eve back Atlantis and Athens city back to them? You said you'd drill into the ocean so the lava would go out eventually, slowly. You also did say you'd get me off the earth for 2028. Now, Enki and Enlil lost faith in you two boys. I was Marduk before I was anything. I was Kingu before Enlil and Enki. Now, for yous to outrun me as mentally ill, that'd be classed as unethnical. As it'd be unethical classing me as mentally ill. Never harm no one, never kill no one. Threatened to kill drunk, but learnt me lesson. And then you got cops that pulled me on a 250-watt motorbike, electric moped, without pedals, done only 39, it cut out at 39 kilometres. Speed regulations, not a matter, because the legislation is legal limit. Legal limit is 250 watt, boys. And then, for the cops to take my moped, which I'm going to get a new one, I'm going to register it this time, girl. Then I'm going to get the camper on the back of it. Then I'm going. As you got cop next door, thinks she's big in it, gets everyone's mopeds, and mopeds took off them. Then you got next door, but one, Davis. Don't like. Misa want Japan. Robotsy. Shops, better. And Timon back to his son.